First ball, Dushyant has into the deep fine leg for the boundary. So this well-directed ball and a appeal. There's a slight movement in the ball. Everybody were excited, but umpire says it's going like. It was a great shot by Shashwat. Started with 10-6. It was gone. It was a complete cross. He played completely cross and got in front of the wickets. As I was telling, Ranga as an experienced bowler, so he has a different variations, and it was slightly shuffled. It was a shot, and that's the boundary. This is what they are looking for. They are waiting, and Dheeraj, a beautiful cut shot, and it has been into the boundary. It comes towards the pad. He lost, and I think it's an 4. So 2 boundaries in this over, a good over with respect to Dazzlers. After 4 overs, 32 for 1 for Dazzlers team. There's a good encouragement to the bowler. It was Nick and it's gone. It was away from the ball batsman, and Prasanna got his first breakthrough. It was a waltz and misfield. The first misfield and a very good cut shot. Almost it was a similar ball what Dheeraj has got, but it was almost a miss. It was almost a miss. It was almost a miss. It's a bye, but very lucky, Dylan. It was a big miss. It was a shot. It was into the slot and it was good shot. Dushyant is playing his steady innings because he has been an additional advantage for the team. And it was a good drive and it should run away for boundary. Anything into the arc, Dushyant will smash it into the boundary. Good boundary. So the flighter tried reverse sweep and I think it's gone to boundary. It waited till the last minute. Dylan understands the ball is drifting. It was a shot and into the hands of the Dinesh. A good breakthrough to Dushyant. It was in the air. I think he is in danger. He is in danger. It was a complete wrong call. It was a complete wrong call. Straight into the... And I think it's a misfield. And it's a 2 runs.
Come on guys, be active guys! Come on boys!
Captain encouraged. It's a contest of 30 runs. A good shot. I think it will run away for the boundary. Width offered, smashed, no protection, and it's a boundary. It's no man place. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of Ranga. Either he puts a brakes on the scorecard or takes a. This is a little bit short and it has been to the boundary. Ball is a little bit short. I think this is gone for boundary. No. Because of the view. It was a top edge and it was lucky that Saurabh didn't end 2 overs with 10 runs. So they should be a little bit calm and composed. And I think this is the shot and it's a gone. It's a field miss and it's a boundary. And it's a 100 up. 100 up. Last ball. Ball. That was a beauty ball.
Yeah, beauty ball. And well directed. Suresh was very confident that
Suresh and it was a very flighted and misfield. It is not a mistake of the bowler, but unfortunately it is a misfield.
fielder got confused because the ball.
Prasanna to Naman and very good directed towards the pass. But no field setup. It was slight
To bowl and throw.
Captain have multiple options. They have Ranga, Atul,
Darshan.
Darshan. Oh, it was a beauty ball. Beauty ball. Beauty ball. After 17 overs, it is 100. What will do Naman? Will he go for a big one? He is trying and it was edge.
It was edge.
It was edge and gone for the
Any runs
boundary.
at this stage, whether it's edge, whether it's a drive, that force.
And he was about it, but I think it's there's a no fielder and it's a boundary. There was 2 boundaries in the same arc what Naman has hit, but both the this
There comes
is a shot and but Atul is there. It's gone. It
That's a
missed.
misfield
It
from
missed.
fielding
It's
team.
150 up. 153.
Lost by 4 runs.
Yeah.
So
These 1-2s are very important at that point. Now Atul and it the shot. It's a 6. It's a 6.
Wait.
And went to the boundary. Naman, last 2 balls. Maximize it? Yes, I think it has a chance to Ranga.
That was a good comeback from Ranga.
Very good catch by Ranga.
he was holding his nerves after this misfield.
Yeah.
Now
Dheeraj
Bipin is
himself,
there.
yeah. Shot, and I think it should be a boundary.
First boundary.
Yeah, that's the
Fair
boundary.
Play started their opened their account with the
It's a
boundary.
It's a very good drive by Dinesh. It wasn't at any time. It again. It's gone. It's a misfield.
Misfield.
This is what which we have seen in the fair play warriors, where in the initial power play their fielding was awesome and on to Darshan. Shot and I think it's
That was
gone.
a good
for-
intent and
It's a good intent.
Darshan has delivered what is expected from him.
It's a good start if I say from Shashank has been brought inside. Field change. Ball. Complete cross bat, complete cross. That is what I was saying, the intent of the game. You already got a boundary, you don't require to
Pressure onto the batting team now.
give a breaks to the running score and it's completely missed. Completely missed. It was a slower one, change in the variation, change in the pace. After first boundary, wicket and 4 dots, a good comeback by the. It was onto the legs.
Can they take a couple of runs
I think
here?
it's only couple of runs.
Or yeah, it's a boundary.
It's a boundary. It was completely. There's no fielder. Nicely pushed into the legs. I think
And that
it's
was a
gone, the
strong
shot,
punch.
Strong punch shot onto
And
the
it has
boundary,
went like a tracer bullet to the boundary.
into the covers. Good cover shot. At this knockout level is very good. And into the hands, and I think it's a misfield. This is what is not expected, and this is what is Dadler's captain is not happy with this fielding.
And there was a change in the field because they have.
Okay, they ripped on then. Okay, yeah. Dylan. Shot. And I think it's gone. It's a bullet.
Very well played shot from Dinesh.
It's a bullet shot. It's a complete bullet shot.
Whatever you said is correct. Dinesh is playing with the composure.
Naman is coming around the wicket now. It's edge. It was a risk and
The
lucky.
batsman has given it up, but the
It's a
throw was not in the
lucky. It's a
correct
lucky one.
leads, at all. They have bowled 7 overs with 0 wides.
This is shot and
And it's a good stop. Oh, I think he has stopped it.
जान लगाएंगे सब कोई जान लगाएंगे घूम जा
it's. I think it should be tough. This is the favorite signature shot of Pradeep. So
We were thinking of boundary and we have got
it's
a
a
boundary.
50. It's edge. It is an opportunity dropped and good fielding.
Good backup by Shashank.
Good backup by Shashank. It is an opportunity drop. I think it's gone. Yes, it's a straight plumb.
So, what do you think, Mr. Varun?
Varun, what is your
Instinct saying
They're not that they're ensuring that they do not want give any room.
It's,
And that's a
I
six.
think
That's
it's
a
gone.
six.
It's
And
gone. It's
that
a
was
gone
over
out
I
of
was
the ground.
expecting
It's
from
a six.
Players, Warriors.
It was expected. This is what expected from Pradeep by the captain. Captain himself. And it's shot. I think
it's a boundary, you know. Oh,
It's a boundary.
that's a
It's a
very good
Very good.
misfield.
That's what we are thinking. Right? The new bowler, when they come, don't settle the new bowler. Start hitting. So
Only thing is that
shot and it into the gap.
Oh,
That's a
that is
beautiful
great.
fielding.
Beautiful fielding by Dushyant. These are the things where you are the chances of winning the matches, right? The beautiful fielding, beautiful catches. If you see, they have bowled 14 wides. Fair play on here, there.
That's gone. That's gone.
It's a big blow for
At the correct
Warriors.
time, they have got the wicket.
gone.
Oh, that was a dolly.
It is.
Oh man, that's a very good effort.
Very good effort.
from Suresh and B.
Very good
He
effort.
converted a
Very
single
good
to a double.
effort.
Arvind himself is in a very good form, right?
yeah.
I
He
think.
is the highest scorer in this tournament as of now.
And it's a shot. Gone for six. That was a six.
Beautiful
That was
shot.
Beautiful shot.
If Dheeraj cannot get it, nobody in the team would.
Beautiful shot.
7 runs, so it's a pretty good.
Pretty much good over. And last ball is there.
I think they have to take
If
on
it
two.
is gone
It's a
for
boundary. And
What a hit.
what a points from Suresh and B.
What a hit.
That's a captain's innings. Wicket.
But again,
That
if
was
you
the
see the playbook which they are using, they're ensuring that they don't give this extra.
Oh, what a beautiful flick from
beautiful flick.
And it's a boundary. That's what I
beautiful
said,
flick.
right?
Yeah.
Sidhu is a very good player of off spin. So
I've been a great fan of Sidhu.
And I think it's a single. Good running between the wickets. Good running between the wickets.
Are they score another
yeah.
single? That's wonderful, wonderful,
wonderful call from Sidhu.
Oh, good call.
Side.
It's a beautiful shot.
What a shot! What a shot!
That's a beautiful shot. I think that's a boundary. I think that's a boundary. That's a
Beautiful.
34 innings from this.
No, not out.
That was an unfortunate miss from.
Warm up.
That's a beautiful shot.
That's the
What a
flick.
shot,
That's the
man.
flick.
No ball,
Classic.
no ball, Ra.
That's the flick.
Hurry.
Shot.
What a shot!
What a shot.
What a confident shot from
What a
Sidhu.
shot from Sidhu.
Definitely that was a great shot. And he was very confident.
That's again, I think. What a shot.
Lovely touch.
Lovely shot. Lovely
By
touch.
Sidhu.
ఫస్ట్ మూడు బాల్ ముగ్గురు సత్యం అనుకుందే ఏం చేస్తారు మీరా వాళ్ళని చెప్పి వాళ్ళని
But I think it's not necessary more.
No, not
But I
necessary
think
at
they've
this
covered
point of
it,
time. Yes, yeah.
Lovely shot.
Lovely shot.
That's a boundary.
Definitely that's
That's a
confident.
boundary.
Now it's under 6. The required run rate is
under 6
that much lethal when bowling in power play rather than end of the innings.
Yes.
Oh, that's a good attempt by the keeper.
Otherwise, it has
That
been
was
gone
a
to
good
boundary.
ball, good
A
attempt
new,
by the keeper.
a new spinner, definitely. That we'll talk in the next match. Shot and gone.
That's a match.
That's a gone. That's a gone.
What a great attempt.
That's a gone.
I think
What's the
he's
score now, KK?
13. His brother and Siddharth took off his captain's brother onto his shoulders, and they're marching towards and ball.
That's a
beautiful ball
Beautiful
by
ball.
Saurabh.
Beautiful ball from Saurabh.
That's the experience brings.
That's what experience.
It's only 11 runs.
Don't know cricket.
See, that if we have connected right, it would have gone 4 easily.
Gone.
And it's gone.
That's
That's it.
That's gone.
match is
That's
gone now.
gone.
Legs, that's a boundary.
That's
4
gone.
runs required from
4 runs required for 8 balls.
8 balls. Okay.
And it's gone. And it's a win. It's a win for Fairway Warriors. They are entered VPL 11 finals. Platinum Cup.